Yee-haw. Here we have a machine that I've been in love with for a long time. This is a 1938 Corona Sterling in that gorgeous oxblood burgundy maroon that they do so well. And you'll notice this one's also in a green interior tweed case. This is not the original case. This is a case off a parts machine that's of the exact same vintage. And, it's the late 30s, early 40s. I think this case is off of a 1941 model Speedline that, there's already a bunch of those parts sitting in the guts of this one, so I figure, they're blood brothers. What's a little case issue between friends, right? Right. I spend too much time with typewriters, man. Anyway, this thing's in great shape. Feed rollers are in good condition. The platen is, well, it's as hard as you would expect a platen on a 1938 machine to be, but, it's not too severely pitted. And the machine still prints reasonably well. There is some pitting on there, but bloody little. I might actually swap this platen out with the one on the parts machine as well, because that one's in a little better shape than this. Got a little bit of fading on the decal right there. Front decal, however, it's in excellent condition. Keys are in great shape. They could probably use a cleaning, but I like the patina on them, so I try not to mess with the keys too much unless they're just dying for it, which these aren't. Pop the back off the case there. Gotta love those easy retract things there. Segment's in good shape. Everything's in good shape on this machine. Paper fingers work well. La la la, all that. Margin stops work well. Carriage lock works well. There's your lovely carriage centering device, and then you lock it with the margin. Do a little type sample on it. This is 1938 Corona Sterling 2A45127 with 2 pieces of paper here. I use some pretty thick paper anyway, but I use 2 pieces on there because, hey, hard platen, right? Right. In you go. I got a black ribbon in here. I just think it looks better. That's just me, I guess. I don't know. Could use a black and a red, or even a blue and a green, because a bunch of ribbon. Whole bunch of ribbon. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Man, this thing needs to be used. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Not too bad. Whoa. Vec. Yeah, right. There. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And that was on the red setting right there. So that vibrator does work in all settings. Like I said, everything works on this. Do your double spacing. Oh, where's your index release? Right there. Paired releases. Shift lock. Whoa, get off of there. Oh. Come on. Oh, there we go. Ah! Alright, so I gotta tweak that. No biggie. It's that little arm right there. Tabulator. Works like a charm. This machine has a really, really nice shine to it. I mean, surprised if you can't see my camera in there. Like, there's my hand in the reflection. Hi. So there you go. 1938 Corona Sterling. Gorgeous green interior tweed case. In perfect working shape. So pretty. Ooh.